The Pro version radiator ventilator. The Smart Thermostat Controller. The temperature sensor and the adapter form the single set package of the Pro version radiator ventilator. Let's connect it with power. The Smart Thermostat Controller cable is about 170 centimeters in total length, with a USB-A connector to connect with adapter and a USB-C connector to connect with ventilator. The Smart Thermostat Controller will work as a speed controller if the temperature sensor is not connected. The default speed level is 5. It can be adjusted higher up to speed level 10. And the speed level can also be adjusted lower to 1. Now we will demonstrate how each speed level works. Let's connect the thermostat controller with this demonstration ventilator. Adjusted the speed level to 1. Raised to speed level 2. You can see the airflow is higher. And then speed level 3. The airflow is even higher. Speed level 4. Speed level 5. Speed level 6. Level 7. Level 8. Level 9. And then level 10. Speed level 10 generates the highest airflow, and the speed level 1 generates the lowest airflow. You may adjust the speed level to reach your desired airflow and noise. Now we will demonstrate how it works with the temperature sensor connected. The temperature sensor cable is of 1 meter length, with USB-C connector to connect with the ventilator. Let's connect the ventilator with both the Smart Thermostat Controller and the temperature sensor. The temperature is 26 degrees Celsius. Now we will change the connection port of the sensor. The temperature is also 26 degrees Celsius. We will change another connection port and the temperature is still the same. The temperature sensor is upgraded to be able to be connected to any port of the ventilator. Now we will use the demonstration ventilator for test and adjust the speed to the highest, speed level 10. And then plug in the temperature sensor. The default work temperature is 32 degrees Celsius, can be checked by holding the work button, and the speed level can also be adjusted by the 2 buttons. Let's set it to 10. The default stop working temperature can be checked by holding the stop button. It's below 23 degrees Celsius. The temperature just went down from 32 degrees Celsius and it's in working state. We will make it stop by temperature. Now we put the temperature sensor in the iced water. When the temperature goes below 23 degrees Celsius, the ventilator stops working. And then we put the temperature sensor in hot water. The temperature keeps going up. When the temperature reaches 32 degrees Celsius, the ventilator starts working. And we can also adjust the speed level of the ventilator in this working state. The work temperature can be adjusted. Let's set it to 25 degrees Celsius. And adjust the stop temperature to 20 degrees Celsius. The ventilator is still working. Let's put the temperature sensor in the iced water. The temperature keeps dropping. The ventilator stops working when temperature goes below 20 degrees Celsius. Now we put the temperature sensor in the hot water. The temperature keeps rising. When it reaches 25 degrees Celsius, the ventilator starts working. When we push both buttons once at the same time, it will enter smart mode, and these 3 texts on the controller are lighted as indication. We set the work temperature 25 degrees Celsius. When the temperature goes higher, by every 2 degrees Celsius after it started working, the speed goes up by 1 level. You can see that the airflow goes higher and higher when the temperature goes up. Then we put the temperature sensor in the iced water. The airflow goes lower and lower as the temperature decreases. Now we will demonstrate how the daisy chain ventilators work with the thermostat controller. This is the USB-C extension cable to connect between the ventilators. We will daisy chain 3 ventilators this time. The ventilators are working when the temperature sensor is not connected. We can adjust the speed level with the controller to reach our desired airflow and noise. The temperature sensor can be connected to any port of these 3 daisy-chained ventilators. We now set the controller to default settings. Now the ventilators are working. We will make them stop by putting the temperature sensor in the iced water. Now they stopped working when the temperature goes below 23 degrees Celsius. Now we will put the temperature sensor in hot water to make the ventilators start working again. The ventilators start working when the temperature reaches 32 degrees Celsius. The speed level can be adjusted for higher or lower airflow and noises. Now we will set the controller to smart mode. Now we will put the temperature sensor in iced water and make the ventilator stop working at first. The temperature goes lower and lower. The ventilators stop working when the temperature drops below 23 degrees Celsius. Now we will put the temperature sensor in hot water again. The ventilators start working when the temperature reaches 32 degrees Celsius. And when the temperature goes up, the airflow goes higher automatically.